In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email and opens in Close.com. Tracking email sends, opens, and replies in Close CRM is one of its core features, and it's very helpful when you want better visibility into your outreach. Instead of guessing whether someone has seen your message, Close can give you activity data directly inside the platform, making follow-up much easier and more informed. To begin, log into your Close.com account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Settings area. From there, go to Communication, and then click on Email. This is where your email-related preferences are managed. On the Email Settings page, you'll see that email tracking is already checked. That means the feature is enabled and ready to use. This setting allows Close to monitor key activity tied to the emails you send through the platform, especially whether they were opened and whether a reply came in. It's useful because it happens automatically in the background, so you don't need to set it up every time you send a message. After confirming that tracking is enabled, go to Leads. Now we're going to test the feature by sending an email. Inside the Leads section, select the account you want to send an email to. Choose the lead you want to work with, then open that leads page. Next, click on Email. This opens the email composer for that lead. In the subject field, add your subject line. After that, type your email message into the body of the email. Keep your message clear and professional so it's easy to review later when checking tracking activity. Once your email is ready, click Send. And here's the important part. You do not need to manually enable open tracking for each individual email. When you send emails from Close, a tiny invisible tracking pixel is automatically inserted into the message. When the recipient loads the email images, Close records that as an open. After the email is sent, you'll be able to see the activity in the timeline. For example, you might see entries such as email sent, opened, 2 minutes later, opened again, and replied. This gives you a simple view of how the recipient is interacting with your message over time. Each open event can also include useful details like the date, the time, and the number of opens. That information can help you understand engagement and decide the best time for your next follow-up. And that's how to track email sends and opens in Close.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.